I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering off the MacBook and grounding yourself. This protects electronics and keeps debris away. Once done, lay a soft cloth under the device and use a magnifier to inspect the key's retention clips. Gently slide a thin plastic pick under the front edge of the keycap. Do not use metal. Apply a slow, upward prying motion toward the top edge. You're disengaging the front hooks first so the hinge won't snap. Now you must coax the scissor mechanism free without breaking the tiny clips. Once the front hooks lift, shift the pick to each side and pry evenly. Small, repeated lifts work better than one big yank. Make sure to support the scissor bridge with a finger so it doesn't flex. That bridge is what secures the cap. If the clips click, you've released them correctly. Place the cap flat on your cloth and mark its original position so reinstallation is straightforward. To finish, align the scissor mechanism into the rails and seat the rear retention first, then press the front edge down until you hear the reassuring click. Once installed, press the key slowly to confirm even travel and proper actuation. If travel feels gritty, use compressed air and a 90% plus isopropyl swab at the edge to clean debris. If a clip breaks, stop and replace the entire scissor assembly before continuing. Forcing a damaged clip will cause further failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.